Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Confirm your phone supports Jio's 5G bands and that your SIM and plan include 5G. Once done, update the phone OS and carrier settings because carriers push network profiles via updates. Make sure the physical SIM or eSIM is provisioned for 5G by checking carrier messages or account portal. If not, request activation. Reboot the device after updates so new network configurations load properly, and the radio can scan for 5G cell. Now you dive into network settings to enable 5G. On Android, go to Network and Internet, select your Jio SIM, and change preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G auto or 5G only if available. On iPhone, use cellular right arrow voice and data to pick 5G auto or 5G on. Make sure the APN and operator settings match Jio's profile so the data attaches correctly. If you change to 5G only, you'll force attachment to 5G cells. Choose auto for seamless. Finish by verifying you see the 5G indicator and measure throughput with a speed test. Outdoor spots near towers yield best results. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode or manually select the Jio network to trigger a fresh registration, and then reboot again. If issues continue, check provisioning with Jio support. They may need to enable 5G on your account or reissue a SIM/eSIM. One tip: test with another 5G-capable handset to isolate handset versus network problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.